Hello everyone. So I am going to show you guys how I put up this pegboard in my craft room at home so I can keep all of my stuff organized. The first thing I did was I went shopping at Lowe's and I saw this big white pegboard right here and I was like, yes, I gotta get that. Okay, so all the tools and supplies that I use, it will be in the description box below. And it's pretty much just like the standard tools that you guys will need to hang anything. And the first thing that we did was we went on the wall and marked it with a pencil as of where we wanted to lay all of our pieces of board that we would be using as a support for the pegboard. Okay, and now what we did was hung all the boards where we wanted it to go, making sure to have a board at the bottom of our pegboard, a board at the top of our big pegboard, and then a few slats in the middle to use as extra support. And this is an example of how I put my lines on the wall. And I will also be adding a board piece right here. And then we use our leveler right here to make sure everything was lined up nice and straight. After we hung our pegboard, the next thing to do is just simply add all of your accessories. Right now I have a few. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like once we have everything hung up. And I've only hung up a few accessories right now. This right here I'm going to use to hang my vinyl. And then I have a few baskets and hooks and stuff like that. These things are super easy to just hook it to the wall. I'm going to grab one and put it in the front so you can see. Just simply stick it in there and hang it, and there it is. And this piece right here can be used for so many things, hanging scissors and all kinds of things. What I did was I purchased 2 accessory kits from Lowe's as well, and they both came with, I want to say, 46 pieces each. And I bought both of those and I added them to this peg wall. Oh, and I love these little containers that I put up here. They are so convenient. You just stick them in like I'm doing here. And then whenever you want to add something in there, you just untwist it. And then you twist it to put it back on there. That will come really in handy for maybe buttons or beads. Something small like that. And in the last clip, I will show you guys the final results. Alright, and here it is, you guys, the big reveal. This is how my pegboard looks in my craft room now. I have everything organized. I have a spot for everything. And I have so much stuff. And it looks like it's a lot of stuff, but you guys, everything has a spot now. I am just so excited about that. You guys just don't know. Okay, that is it for this quick little video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys try this at home. If you do, please tag me in your photos and videos. I would love to see what you guys create. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.